My name is Monica Lightfoot. I found the Dental Dreams team one night up late watching their infomercial. I was so impressed with it. It prompted me to call to get a free consultation. When I came in, they treated me like I already belong here. I've always smiled. I used to notice that people looked at me funny because of my teeth. I had protruding teeth. One of my teeth were brown in the front of my mouth. I was a little ashamed, but you know, I tried to play it off. But once I did what needed to be done, that all changed. It sent my self-esteem higher than it was, much higher. I've referred several people to the Dream Team, and people are just like, wow, they did an amazing job.